Hey guys, in this video I will show you best Quotex strategy special for you. And if you not join my Telegram channel, please join my Telegram channel for signals and best script. Okay, and if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. Okay, and if you do, not join this broker, link in my description box. Simply click and sign up. Start forex and binary trading. Okay, let's see what is a strategy. Strategy is when moving average strategy is a fast moving average is SMA 10, and second moving average is EMA 50, and third moving average is SMA 5. Okay, and what is a strategy? Strategy is when uh, 10 EMA and 5 EMA cross the line and market going up. Okay, and when 5 EMA cross the 10 EMA and market going down, and candle time frame always 2 minutes, and you can trade for 1 minute. Okay, simple strategy, and I have used this strategy and very good result. Okay, candle time frame always 2 minutes. Okay, and when 10 EMA 5 EMA cross the 10 EMA market going up. Okay, and when 10 EMA cross the 5 EMA market going down. Okay, let's see. uh, let's start trading with this indicator and strategy.